secret here, and we're at the SG. Huh. As usual, I changed my skin. Huh. Hey guys. So we need to do is do this, then say I'm recording. Hi. What's my password? Galak. I have a wrong spelling, so I just do this because I have a wrong spelling. So I'm gonna say I'm recording. And then I'm gonna join. Oh, I'm gonna take you first to the SU. We're gonna go to the beach. This is the Admiralty Lighthouse. Okay. This is the parkour. That it's heading to the secret room. There. Oh, this is so hard. Ah, this is terrible. And then we're going to the beach. Okay. Okay, we're going to the beach. To the beach.
Going to the beach?
Here is it. This is not yet the beach. Whoa, Birdwalk Beach. We're going there. Here, come on. As you see, I have a video that's a modern house that it's ugly. Okay, here. Here's the beach. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Hey, look away. I'm recording. Okay, we're dancing. Okay. Oh no, we can't. Yay. Oh, it's that. Okay. Let's go and get some to the. We're going to the secret. Very secret. I think few people know this. Few only. Not quite. It's not here. It's not near here. It's so far. Okay. We're going back. Let's just do hub. So it's more faster. There. We're returning to the lobby. It's over here. Nope, it's not yet the secret room. The secret room is over here. It's not yet that. We're near now. We're near, we're near. We're near. Okay, we're going on a trip. Here to laugh and wanna see where the sun is right. It's over here. It's say all of your dreams, hope and dreams, sorry. Other hope. There, we're now here at my secret room. Let's not do hub. Okay? We're gonna go today. some cake. Let's eat it. So we'll be strong. Come on. I'm not speaking. Sorry about it. Because I just need to fight. I'm not good here. For sure, I'm not good at survival games. If you want me to have some more videos, survival games, just push the like button and subscribe. Okay? Okay. Let's find some more to kill. Let's kill someone here. La la la. Oh, let's. Ah! Hmm. Let's eat. Let's eat. I'm not good. Oh, you're dead. Let's do some more. One more. Okay. Bye.